Why Quit India movement was launched?
Ma'am, Indian movement was launched because Indian people did not have any say in the government or in the formation of policies.
ठीक है, सृजा ने एक आंसर दिया जो सही है। इस क्वेश्चन के कई आंसर हो सकते हैं, क्या दूसरे बच्चे देना चाहोगे? मैं इसके 4-5 आंसर सुनना चाहती हूँ। उसने जो बोला वो सही है, बात करी। नेक्स्ट,
Please repeat. Gandhiji feared that that Japan may attack the British possessions in India. Hence, he wanted British to leave India and launched the Quit India movement for uh, immediate independence.
please Kriti repeat again.
Ma'am, question repeat कर दीजिए ma'am.
Why Quit India movement was launched?
Ma'am,
Congress was banned and the police and army were brought out to suppress the movement, but after the failure of the Cripps mission, Gandhiji gave the final blow to the Britishers on August 1942 by launching the Quit India movement.
अच्छा,
Ma'am,
It was a civil.
it was a.
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Ma'am, it was a civil disobedient movement in response to the Gandhiji's call for immediate independence.
सिविल डिसोबीडियंस के बीच में क्या बोलने लगी? सपोज कि 2 नंबर का आंसर है, क्वेश्चन है व्हाई क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट वाज लॉन्च्ड, तो उसमें क्या वो बहुत आगे बढ़ गई, बहुत मतलब पीछे का बोल दी, ठीक है, कि बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट हैव एनी से इन द गवर्नमेंट, ठीक है, बट थोड़ा रिसेंट का कुछ बोलो, ठीक है। अभी जिसने
क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, Ma'am, Quit India movement was launched by Gandhi ji because he had a fear that Japan may attack the British possessions in India, and hence he launched the Quit India movement in 1942.
वेरी गुड, ये भी एक पॉइंट है, वो बहुत नियरेस्ट पॉइंट है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, एनी अदर? बोली तो इसके कई आंसर हो सकते हैं। सृजा बोलना चाह रही और कोई? तनुश्री, कृति, अन्वेषा, पुष्कर, आयुष, बोलिए, लॉन्च हुआ था?
Ma'am, it was movement in response to Gandhi ji's call for immediate independence.
ओके, ठीक है, वो वाला भी ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, जिस अविका ने जो कही कि तो इसको अपने से बना के लिखो। अभी तक गांधी जी को क्या था कि सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर वॉज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 1939, वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 1939, एंड who was India's British's enemy? Britain,
Japan.
Germany and Japan.
हाँ,
Germany and Japan.
Feared that Japan may attack the British possession in India. At that time, India was ruled by Britishers. So he feared that Japan may attack the British possession in India. So he wanted that the British to leave India. हर कोई ये 2 लाइन अंडरलाइन कर लो। अच्छा, अब बताओ व्हाट वाज द स्लोगन गिवन बाय महात्मा गांधी?
Do or die.
Do or die.
Do or die.
Do or die.
वेरी गुड। अच्छा, कृति या कोई किसी ने कहा था इट वाज अ सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, ये भी सही है, इन रिस्पॉन्स टू गांधी जी।
अन्वेषा,
इमीडिएट इंडिपेंडेंस सही है, बट जो अभी बताए वो ज्यादा ठीक लग रहा है। अच्छा, what was the slogan given by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose?
You
Ma'am,
give
you
me blood, I will give you
blood and I
freedom.
will give you freedom.
Okay,
Netaji
okay. In which year Simon Commission came India?
1927.
1927.
Describe two main feature of Molly Minto reform.
Ma'am, it granted separate electorate for Muslims.
Okay,
It was introduced in 1909 to appease the demands of the moderates.
okay.
Ma'am, the British government announced parliamentary reforms to pacify the moderates.
Hmm.
The reforms did not pay any heed to the demands of India for Swaraj.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in this movement, Muslims were granted separate electorates.
Yes, ठीक है। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है early phase of Congress was known as the leader of early phase of
Moderates.
yes.
Moderate.
Um, right to feature of Ronat Act.
Ma'am, it was
It
ma'am,
was-
it
Yeah,
granted
feature of
the
It was also
the
known as
government
Black Law.
the power to arrest anyone without any warrant and to imprison anyone without any trial. It was known as Black Law, and it was introduced in 1919. It was
The Rowlatt Act was introduced in 1919 and it empowered the government to arrest anyone without a warrant and imprison people without trial. It was also known as Black Law.
Yes.
The British government passed the Rowlatt Act to consolidate their control. The Rowlatt Act empowered the government to arrest anyone without a warrant and imprison people without trial. Rowlatt Act caused massive demonstration and hartals all across the country.
ठीक है, very good. Today I will post a set of question from this chapter. Twisted question or some questions which are not given in your book but answers are given in your book. क्या समझे? उसके आंसर्स तो बुक में हैं बट वो क्वेश्चन कुछ बना के मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगी। फिलहाल ये सब पूछ ले रही हूँ पीछे का सारा, ठीक है, और वो सब पूछ लूंगी। अच्छा, नेम द प्लेस वेयर फार्मर्स वेयर रिवोल्टेड एंड गांधी।
Champaran.
Yes.
Champaran in Bihar.
What do you
Champaran in Bihar.
by Kakori conspiracy case?
When
Ma'am,
the non-cooperation
the
movement was withdrawn,
radical-minded
the radical-minded people were very absent and they decided to loot the government cash from a train for buying weapons. This was known as Kakori conspiracy case.
Okay. और कोई बताओ काकोरी conspiracy case?
Ma'am, the radical-minded Indians were very upset when the non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji was withdrawn, and so they decided to loot the government cash from the train for buying weapons.
Okay.
And most of them were arrested in this Kakori conspiracy case.
Okay. Who formed Gadar Party?
Lala Hardayal.
Lala Hardayal. After the withdrawal of civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji started doing what?
To uplift the Harijans,
Upliftment
he
of
started
Harijans.
doing work.
Upliftment of the Harijans. He withdrew from active politics. वो अब एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स में पार्टिसिपेट ना करके हरिजन के अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए काम करने लगे. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. अब बताइए क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट वाज द लास्ट ब्लो टू ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया. गिव आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन सपोर्ट दिस स्टेटमेंट.
Gandhi ji
After the
gave the
Constitution of
final
India
blow to the
that the
Britishers
British
on
government
August
would
8,
not grant freedom to India. Within 24 hours, Gandhiji and all prominent leaders were arrested. Gandhiji's mantra "Do or Die" inspired thousands of Indians. The British army got infuriated and waged brutal terror on people.
Next.
Ma'am,
Gandhi ji gave the final blow to the Britishers on August 8, 1942 by launching the Quit India movement. It was a civil disobedience movement on response to Gandhiji's call for immediate independence. Within 24 hours, Gandhiji and all prominent Congress leaders were arrested, and Gandhiji's mantra of do and die inspired thousands of people. The Britishers were infuriated and the police waged brutal terror on people.
Okay. Which system was introduced in Montagu-Chelmsford reform?
Dual government.
Very
Government,
Government.
hierarchy system.
I'm taking
Hierarchy or
some names. I am taking some names. You have to find out that who among those was not a moderate. Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Firoz Shah Mehta, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Mahadev Govind Ranade, Surendra Nath Banerjee, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai.
Ma'am, Lala Lajpat Rai.
Subhash Chandra Bose and Lala Lajpat Rai.
Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose and Lala Lajpat Rai both were not moderate. They were radicals. Very good. In which year the historic Dandi March started by Mahatma Gandhi?
1930.
12 March 1930.
Yes. Yes, Manushree. He organized Indian National Congress.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Very good, Soumya. Acha, who organized Indian National Congress?
Mohan Singh.
Mohan Singh.
Mohan Singh.
Very good, Srijya. Acha. Describe the contribution of Subhash Chandra Bose in the freedom struggle of India.
Subhash Chandra Bose was emerged as the most prominent leader during this period. He was ready to join hands with the British enemies like Japan and Germany to get British out of India. His most popular slogan was "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." He was disappeared from the British detention and went to abroad to seek help for the cause of independence, Indian independence.
Okay.
He was also handed over to the Indian National Army.
Any other from boys? Any other person want to reply? बॉयज को बोलोगे सुभाष चंद्र बोस पे शॉर्ट नोट्स? नहीं. In which place division of Congress took place?
Surat.
Which year? Which year?
1907.
1907.
1907. Home Rule League was established by two different persons. Name them.
Mrs.
Miss
Annie
Annie
Besant
Besant.
and
Annie
Bal
Besant
Gangadhar
and
Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
ठीक है. Place associated with the calling of non-cooperation movement. Calling of.
Chauri Chaura.
चौरी चौरा उत्तर प्रदेश.
Chauri Chaura.
Chauri Chaura.
ठीक. Very.
चौरी चौरा.
Right. What incident took place at Chauri Chaura?
22 policemen were burnt alive
22
by
policemen were burnt.
Gandhiji's helpers.
Okay. Short notes on Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
On
On
April
April
30,
1919, the people of Punjab gathered on the auspicious day of Baisakhi at Jallianwala Bagh near Golden Temple in Amritsar. They were protesting peacefully against the arrest of two prominent Congress leaders
Satyapal
of Punjab,
and
Dr.
and
Satyapal and
Saifuddin
Saifuddin Kichlu.
but General Dyer
General Dyer ordered the British
ordered
armed
his-
forces to
ordered
open
the
fire at hundreds of
forces to open
innocent
fire at the
men,
thousands
women, and
of
children.
Indians, and many people were dead.
Good. Next. State the major achievement of Lucknow Pact of 1916.
In 1916,
The moderates and radicals were reunited to strengthen the Indian national movement.
Muslim League to strengthen the national movement
Demanded
after
for
9 years.
of India.
They jointly demanded for self-rule for India.
Anvesha बोलो तो. Anvesha.
Yes, ma'am. In 1916, the moderates and radicals reunited to strengthen the national movement, and they jointly demanded for self-rule.
Okay. अच्छा. Three main provisions of the Government of India Act 1935.
Ma'am,
Dyer Act
this
was introduced, and this
This
was
act
introduced
introduced-
to appease the people.
and ma'am, this act
This
is introduced in
of federal court.
This act was
This act
introduced
was
to
introduced in
Indians.
1935 to
bicameral legislature.
pacify Indians. The head of the central administration was the Governor General, who remained who had the supreme power, and the center continued to control defense, external affairs, etc. And the federal court was established for provinces and princely states.
Ma'am, this act introduced some more reforms to pacify Indians. This act is introduced in 1935. The head of the central administration was a governor general, and the center continued to control defense, external affairs, and railways. And a federal court was established for provinces and princely states.
अभी तुम कुछ नहीं करते हो, गोबर हो गोबर.
हाँ ठीक है अन्वेषा. नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, कल कुछ और क्वेश्चन आज जो मैं तैयारी करवाऊंगी, आज जो मैं भेजूंगी, क्या भेजूं या कल ही पूछूं? क्या चाहते हो? भेज देने पर तो तैयारी कर लोगे.
कल पूछते.
अचानक से पूछूं कल?
मैम कल ही पूछ लीजिए।
कल अचानक से,
कल ही
हाँ।
पूछिए।
ठीक है, ठीक।
Yes,
फिर
ma'am.
मंडे को ज्योग्राफी का मैप वर्क करवा देती हूँ, ठीक है। उसके बाद फिर चैप्टर 11 को लेती हूँ हिस्ट्री का रिवीजन के लिए, ठीक है। तो कल हम अचानक से इसके बीच में कुछ नए कुछ करके रखूंगी, अगर मिल जाए, अगर ना मिले तो सिंपली जिन लोग जवाब दिए हो उन लोग जवाब देना, ठीक है। और प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो भी करना खुद से करना, मतलब चीटिंग वगैरह मत करना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू main feature of Montagu-Chelmsford reform.
Ma'am, the central this act made the central legislature bicameral. It also introduced the hierarchy system and made provision for the classification of central and provincial subjects.
Any other student want to बोलो, कोई और बोलना चाहोगे?
Ma'am, Ma'am, this act was passed in 1919, and this act was also introduced to appease the local people. All over the country, the demand of self-rule was going on. In this reform, number of elected members of legislative assemblies was increased, but there is no change in the location of power. Indian ministers were given the charge of education and health, but real power still remained with the British officials.
What were the methods adopted by Gandhiji in non-cooperation movement?
Boycott of
legislatures, boycott of
government
schools and
legislature,
colleges by the
courts, schools,
students and
colleges,
teachers, hartal,
Renouncing of
strikes all over the
titles and
country,
honors given by the
want
British.
Patna
of
at
foreign
Banaras
goods.
and Jamia Millia at Aligarh, bonfire of foreign goods, and a surrender of titles given by the British.
Okay. अच्छा, next
गद्दा
write short notes on partition of Bengal.
Ma'am,
In
partition of
July
Bengal took
1905,
place to
Lord Curzon partitioned
divide
Bengal
India
to
and Muslim
attack the Hindu-Muslim
Lord
unity to
Curzon
weaken the national
July
movement. Though the official reason given by the Britishers was that it was difficult to collect revenue from and govern such a big province, but people know the truth.
Okay.
Next.
किसी की माइक से आवाज आ रही है, माइक ऑफ करो ना।
अभी चैटिंग नहीं हो रहा, देख लो अभी।
किसकी माइक से आवाज आई, मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
मैम ज्योति राज के माइक से
ज्योति राज, आज बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर रही हो, बेटर है कि तुम एग्जिट कर जाओ क्लास से।
पापा ही ऑफ कर देते हैं इसलिए। पापा
ज्योति राज,
दिखेगा ना, पता नहीं क्या है। नया के बर्थडे की गिफ्ट बाकी इसका दे देते थोड़ा सा।
who did not believe in appeals?
Radicals.